Hi guys, so I am back. Let me see if I can bring you closer. And I have the last journal here. I hope the lighting isn't too bad. And this is another DigiKit from ArtyMaze. And this one is called Nature Walk. And it is chipboard front and back cover. And I covered the whole thing with fabric, upholstery fabric. And what I've done is I ran some lace. I'm sorry if the camera's moving. The spine, I wrapped the spine in lace and I just ran a string of bling, as you can see. And then I used one of the images, one of the pages. I stitched around it and I used a quote that I found about nature, and I used one of the tickets, and then I ran some trim here and trim here, and I used one of the banners and I ran some trim here. And for a pop of color, I had a little Tim Holtz flower here in paper flower, and I just stickled it and put a little bling in the center. And I had a little butterfly, 3D butterfly that I just attached there, and that's what the cover looks like. And I distressed some lace, and then the back looks like that. I stitched the image and then I put it there. I love it. And I printed on my cardstock with light gray color cardstock because I wanted it to look even more old. So that's the look I wanted. And then the flower I distressed to all the edges with vintage photo. So that's what I did. And then of course all the corners have metal corners. So I hope you guys can see this good. So let's go in. So the inside looks like this. Let me see. Sorry about my hand, guys. I'm just trying to give you a better view here. Okay. Alright, so the inside looks like this, and I have a lace pocket here that I ran some flat back pros, and it has the tag that I've distressed with vintage photo. It says this book belongs to, and then I have a little booklet that I just stitched this little signature in, and it only has a few pages, 4 pages. And that just goes in there. And then I have my little envelope, magnetic envelope. Has nothing in it, but you could put something in it. And then I stitched the tag, and it has a little lace up there. And I found these rub-ons at Goodwill. They were really, really old. As a matter of fact, the whole sheet that I had found, I was only able to use like maybe 6 of the rub-ons. They were so old that they weren't even working anymore. But I was able to use some. And it was that cute little hummingbird. I don't know if you guys can see. I was so bummed out because I wanted to use them all. But oh well. And then I have some book pages and papers and little envelopes. And then these are the tabs that come with the kit. And I just used them randomly along the edges of some of the papers. And then I have some book pages from a Secret Garden books, of old book that I have. And then this is a little flips down for journaling. Got some butterflies with some bling and lace and fibers there. And this opens up, tucks right in there. And then this is another, look at how cute. This flips up. And then got that little card there. And you could definitely fit more stuff in these envelopes. And I like to put envelopes in the middle of each signature to hide, the, the sewing string, So that's what I like to do. That's just me. And then I have a little flower here, another little, it's not a flower, oh my God, it's a butterfly. And I have another little tab there. Look at how pretty. Little pocket here, and this has a little envelope. It doesn't have anything in it, but you can certainly put your own little thing in there. And I have another little one of those little 3D butterflies. They're so cute. A little butterfly here, and another little image. Journaling card. Lots of stitching. Another little envelope. Look at that owl, how cute. And then this flips up. This is an envelope. It's magnetic, and I just put some pearls and trims and fibers, and that's a tuck. This is a tuck too. You could tuck anything in there. And then these big tickets I just put in there. Music sheet, another tab. Envelope. Side pocket. And these cards. Really cute collection. And I just put 2 tickets here and another butterfly here. Another pocket. And another magnetic envelope. Another tab on the page. And this is another image. In this little pocket, and you can put a little title or a date or something in there. Another book page. And this one has 4 signatures sewn in. Doily, another image. This collection was so cute and so much fun to work with, and again I used every element of this collection, every single one. Another tab. Yeah, I used the Cricut. This is another little coin envelope that you can use. Lots of places. It's funny, I've been enjoying making these junk journals more than my mini albums, and I used to make mini albums like you wouldn't believe. And I've been enjoying making these more than anything. They relax me so much, because mini albums, you have to be so precise, you know what I mean? And I mean, junk journaling, I have, I'm very, you know what I mean? I can't just like slap things on. It has to be just right as well. But when you're making mini albums, everything has to be to the T. Oh, and here, the paper had a feather, and so I had a feather that I have a bag of feathers actually that I got at Walmart, and I just decided I wanted to glue a feather there just for texture, and I think it was so much fun. So that's what I did. So yeah, I'm enjoying making these so much. Actually, I like making these so much that I've neglected my Bath and Body channel, and I know I can't do that. I have to upload videos over there too, but yeah, it's crazy. But I'll be uploading videos over there soon. I just like these. Another ticket. Another envelope here. Oh, let me just scooch over. I have another envelope here. Sorry guys. I'm trying to find like the best angles to record these, but guess what? One of my Christmas presents is my daughter is coming on Saturday, and she's revamping my my craft area. So hopefully I can have a proper way to make these videos. 'Cause it's hard to show mini albums and journals and stuff like that, you know. And this is a little flip down. Another little envelope here. And this one opens. Another envelope. Pocket. So this will be listed in my Etsy. And we get to the back, the big tag, and my stamp, and that is the back of it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for your support. And if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you guys are doing great, and if I don't get on here before the new year, I hope you guys have a very happy and blessed new year. And let's hope that this new year brings us all good things and lots of success and health and happiness. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and for your support. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.